Okay, wait, drinking guys. I appreciate you giving me one of your drinks out of nowhere. Doesn't mean such a swell guy. Wouldn't it be really good? I have some natural work to do. Yeah, alright.
I've seen that one other time in Birmingham. Birmingham, right? Just like regular Birmingham. Yeah, all my friends. That's great. Oh my goodness, the bar you want this TV right here. Not as beautiful as Birmingham. You Keepers, you guys. This was so mean. I imagine it's a lot like Birmingham. Oh, that's a big one. I have all right, let's get to you. I think that there was a down in Birmingham. Almost. Look at my picture. Good. Yeah, not from crazy ride, yeah, it's the Birmingham year. Great day, making y'all get together.